Hello, it's Austin with DS Dive with the boat Stacy. It is 11/14/2023. This is your after video. Plus, I finally got that ground wire issue fixed. It's not the factory one. Dane's going to have to probably order that one from some marine site he was telling me over the phone. But we do have that new wire grounded, and it is working. Whatever it is grounding, it is definitely grounded now, and we got the problem solved. But let's get this video going. Alright, now we're going to take a look at that ground wire I just installed. I showed you on the first trim tab, the factory one. This is the, basically I'd say aftermarket one. We're through one here for you. Okay, let's cruise the rest of this boat. Have it. We'll cruise this water line. Once again, I'm going to point out that you might see like some black stuff like that may dry on there. But what it is it's your water line paint is pretty much just wiping off. But we'll cruise around. That's a pretty bad spot. I think it has to do some of this water just pouring over the side right here, because that's the only spot I'm really seeing that's bad, is right through these through holes right here. Alright,